Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Accredian's Data Bytes series. I am your host, Mausum, your guide to all things tech. Well, do not forget the drill. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click on that notification bell and be the first one to be notified every time we post a new update. Well, this week the world has been ablaze with mind-blowing AI innovations. From Adobe's intuitive AI editor to RayBan's latest smart glasses reveal, and much more, we are diving into this week's AI inspired stories. Stay tuned. OpenAI's quest for AI chip generation amid shortage. Amid the ongoing shortage, OpenAI considers producing its own AI chips, recognizing the critical role of GPUs in AI operations. Microsoft's recent big chat image generation hiccup due to high demand emphasizes the need of GPU stability. OpenAI typically relies on NVIDIA, now explores crafting its own AI chips, potentially collaborating with Apple's design icon Johnny Ive for a groundbreaking AI hardware device. As demand for AI and GPUs soared, major tech players like Microsoft are venturing into uncharted territories to elevate AI offerings and user experiences. Adobe unveils AI photo editing tool Project Stardust. Adobe to launch Project Stardust, an advanced AI-driven photo editing tool set to simplify image modification, democratizing advanced editing at Adobe Max. Unlike traditional manual selection, it automatically identifies and selects objects, promising more sophistication than Google's Magic Editor. This innovation enables effortless object isolation, offering smooth movement, intelligently filling the gaps for natural looking edits. It also impresses with predictive capabilities, simplifying tasks like removing distractions and generating artificial elements. As a part of the trend in automated design tools, Project Stardust is poised to redefine user interactions with Adobe products. More to come at Adobe Max. Stay tuned. Meta and RayBan unveil enhanced smart glasses. Meta and RayBan unveil the next-gen smart glasses, their second venture into smart eyewear, hitting the market in mid-October. These stylish glasses offer more than sun protection. They pack a camera, speakers, and a microphone for capturing and sharing moments. You can also play music and podcasts, send messages, and make calls while staying hands-free. The Meta AI assistant responds to your voice commands for seamless control. With 150 plus frames and lens combos, including prescription lenses, they cater to personal taste. Fine-tuned audio quality and $299 starting price make them a must-have for tech and fashion lovers. Sam Altman backs Humane AI Pin launch. Sam Altman backs Humane, the startup that wowed the fashion world in Paris with its Humane AI Pin. Launching on November 9th, this sleek wearable attaches to your clothing. Packed with sensors and AI for innovative personal computing. Privacy is a priority. It won't listen unless you allow it. The AI pin boasts an advanced chip for visual recognition and image projections, setting it apart from earlier AI cameras. Unlike Google chips, it operates independently. No smartphones required. More details and comparisons will follow the November launch. It's igniting excitement in tech circles. Google unveils Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro with enhanced AI features. Google unveils Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro loaded with advanced AI features. Google's commitment to AI innovation comes to life in these smartphones, emphasizing AI accessibility. The new Pixels introduce AI-driven photo caption creation and Google's Assistant collaboration with AI chatbot Bard for various tasks. Improved cameras and AI-powered editing tools are the highlights, though they come at a slightly higher price. The Google Pixel 8 adds a temperature check feature aligning with the trend of health-focused tech innovations. Google's ongoing AI advancements leave tech enthusiasts eagerly awaiting their real world impact. Well, that's a wrap up this week's AI news. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell, and stay updated on all our future uploads. Well, until next time, keep exploring the world of artificial intelligence. I will see you soon.